in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a foiliage. She had about a 5-month grow out, and so I just decided to do a partial placement because she said she didn't want it too heavy this time. So here you can see I just weaved it, and I had a really fine slice of hair, and I just made sure to have good saturation. And most of the hair I am back combing, that way we can get a good seamless blend. I'm also using Redken's Flashlift with bonder inside with 20 volume, that way we can get a good steady lift without damaging it. So I'm going to be quiet for a bit, and you can just watch this simple foiliage I did. I apologize for the angle of the video. I just had a little tripod, and I promise it will get better. So here I'm just refreshing her little money piece. It is not very heavy at all, but we do like to keep just a little bit of brightness around her face. And you want to just make sure that you are keeping your sections that you're painting fine. If you do it too thick, it will pull really warm, and if you're trying to go for that brighter blonde look, you don't want to do that. You want to keep it really fine. That way, pretty much like if you can read through it. That way it will just lift really well, and it'll be that pretty bright blonde that we all love. So in this clip, I'm showing the speed I was actually going. I wasn't going too fast, but it actually took me around 30 minutes to do this placement. So that's not bad at all. I was able to have her in and out in about, at the most, 2 hours. Probably not even 2 hours. I would guess about an hour and 45 minutes. That's with the foiling, the shampooing, the toning, and the curling. So I even got to get a few after pictures. So yeah, about an hour and 45 minutes, and you could have this, down pat. So I just wanted to show the actual speed because I had the earlier clip sped up. So now you know how long it took me to do it. So here I was actually finished, but I just felt like in the front it needed a little bit more brightness brought up. So I just added a few highlights in the front to finish it up. So sadly, I forgot to record the toning process and the blowout. So I actually just used Redken Shades EQ 9V, 9P, and a tad bit of clear. Let that sit on for a couple minutes, and it got us this beautiful bright blonde. It's low maintenance, and I will not see her for another 5 months. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like this video if you learned something, and leave a comment below. Thanks, guys.